Hello friends, this is Sonia and today I am here to come with this new video, that is Kerala NEET PG Counselling 2021. So it is conducted by the Commissioner for Entrance Exam Kerala. With this program, help the applicants easily choose the desired seats after some paying fee who decided Commissioner for Entrance Exam Kerala. The applicants who take admissions in top medical private colleges of Kerala after appearing in counselling procedures. This program is beneficial for qualified applicants because it provides all the details about every bit related to the Kerala NEET PG Counselling 2021, such as number of seats available, participating institutions, fee of counselling, etc. In Kerala states 996. The total seats are 996 available for MD, MS courses. The next will be the counselling procedure. The entire process of counselling can be best explained by the following steps mentioned below. You can check it over there. It is there. So step 1 is counselling registration through the online. The admission seekers can apply online mode by visiting the website, that is Commissioner Exam Entrance Test Kerala. For registration, seekers will use his or her NEET PG roll number and email ID. Registration in All India NEET PG and follow instructions on the screen. So thereafter the candidates as AI NEET PG registration details will be displayed. The exam qualified applicants will make an online payment and SMS will be sent to your or his or her registered mobile number. Okay, so the password you create at the time of registration, kindly note that password. After successful payment, candidates will get transaction and registration number on her or his registered mobile number. The second step will be the online security money payment. So applicants who are willing to attend the counselling process to grab their PG medical seats in desired medical college must pay the required security money fees prescribed by the Commissioner for Entrance Exam Kerala. After paying the security money and after state merit list has been declared online, seat choice filling option will be available as per the schedule notified earlier. The applicant would be able to take a printout of his or her online payment receipts. The third step will be the merit declaration. For inter se rank, the state merit list referred shall be the AI NEET PG 2021. The final merit list will be prepared as per the provisions displayed on the website. And the fourth step is online choice filling. You have to visit the website, that is http://www.cee.kerala.org. You have to go to the website and you have to do click on the choice filling. Then choice filling procedure is like a login for the choice filling using your NEET roll number and password created the time of registration. The choice filling can be done on the several sessions, but remember to save the continue, otherwise you will lose your work. So the choice filling will not be complete until you finally submit and log. No changes will be possible after closing the choice filling. After the last date of choice filling is over, seat allotment list will be declared online mode. The fifth step will be like seat allotment. Log into the website, your seat allotment status will be displayed over there, and if you are accept the allotment letter. But do not join or resign after the joining. Even you are eligible for second counselling, but will forfeit your security deposit. So join the college, you will remain eligible for second counselling to upgrade your seats without losing your seat. Okay, if your score is elevated, then the previous allotment will be automatic. This seat allotment will be done by the online process on merit cum options basis. So physically disabled category candidates are essentially required to be physically present before a medical board constituted by dates will be available on Commissioner for Entrance Exam Kerala website. The candidate eligible for the reserved category will be given admissions as per rules of the state government applicable on the date of counselling. The OBC candidates covered by the creamy layer provisions will not be entitled to the benefits of OBC category. Candidates who fail to produce the required original documents at the time of admissions or if any concomitant of falsification of facts comes into the light at the time of entry and thereafter during the course of study, will not be entitled to any benefits of having appeared in the entrance examination, and any use of acquiring a seat, legal action would be taken against such candidates. Candidates which will be checked for their identity at the time of admissions, if it does not match, it will be counted as unfair, means their candidature will be cancelled. So additional legal action will be taken against such candidates. If a candidate does not participate in online counselling or does not join the allotted seat by the due date, or she or he will fall forfeit by the right of admissions on the basis of said counselling allotment. For aspirants applying to PG courses offered by various medical colleges, the following flow charts shows the short but important information about the NEET PG counselling procedure 2021. The documents are required, like the first document is your MBBS certificate, the second will be your MBBS 1, 2 and 3 year mark sheets. Then after that, medical registration certificate, internship compulsion certificate, photo identity proof in the form of certificate with an attested photo from head of the institution of the studied, or your copy of passport or copy of your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, driving license, or self-attested photocopy after verifying with the original documents. After that, your copy of birth certificate for proof of age, or your 10th certificate is also okay. The next will be your NEET scorecard. After that, your copy of online counselling registration certificate, and after that the sponsorship certificate from the state government if applicable, and after that the passport size photographs of 8 copies. Commissioner for Entrance Exam Kerala conducting the counselling, below given factors are like that. First, the 50% of all India quota seats are there. After that, 50% of state quota seats. Third one is Central University, that DU, AMU, BHU. Then fourth one is deemed university. Fifth is ESIC colleges, and sixth one is Armed Forces Medical Services. The cutoff marks 2021 will be for general category it is 366 out of 1200. PWD it is 342, and ST/SC OBC PWD is 390. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and also comment. And if you like this video, please hit the bell icon button. And this is Counseling Funda, Khabre Zara Hatke.